Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most classic breakfast item, French toast. This recipe is super easy, only takes you about 5 to 10 minutes and it's irresistible. So let's get to the recipe. Start by cracking 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar, along with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. If you don't like the flavor of cinnamon, you can also skip this out. And I'm using 1/4 cup of milk. This is it for the ingredients. You just need to now mix it all up until it's nice and mixed up. Once it's mixed up, take a slice of bread. It can be any thickness you like, any type of bread you like, and just put it into the mixture and make sure you try to sink it in a little bit, and then flip it to the other side and cover both sides really deeply into the mixture. On a pan, add some butter and let it melt. Once the butter is melted, you can put in your slice of bread that's dipped into the mixture and just let it cook for a little bit, and then you can turn it to the other side. Look at the way it expands. Keep flipping from one side to the other until it's nice and brown. Once it's nice and golden, you can take it off the pan and fry your other breads. If this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to not miss a video that I post. This recipe can handle around 6 slices of bread, and once they're all done, I like to stack them on top of each other and drizzle some maple syrup on top. You can also use honey or whatever toppings you like. I like to top it up with some berries too, and it also has some cinnamon touch to it, which I really like. Some people eat it with ice cream, some people just eat it plain with nothing else on top, but maple syrup is my go-to, and I just really like to put it all in. And I do put some blueberries on top. It looks really nice and it tastes super nice too. I love this recipe for breakfast because it's so easy to make and it tastes so amazing. So if you do try it out, please let me know in the comments down below, and hope you like this video. If you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up for this. Thank you so much. Bye.